with what is transfer pricing. Transfer pricing is, in a simple language, is the price charged in a transaction between two related parties. It's as simple as that. Any transaction between two related parties, this is the price charged for that transaction. Now that transaction can be purchase of raw material, goods, assets, intangible services, or any financial transactions like loan, guarantee also. So it's as simple as that. So this is called a transfer pricing, transaction between two related parties. The fundamental question, and that's where the whole transfer pricing regulations based on, is on the premise of that why there is a need for transfer pricing regulations. As I mentioned, tax is the most important source of revenue. No country would like to see any sort of base erosion, and transfer pricing can be one of such means where there can be a tax avoidance. And because of the same, now today more than 80 countries have transfer pricing regulations in the world, because it's an area where there can be significant base erosion can happen, because the tax rate amongst various countries are different, and one can take advantage of the tax rate and keep the profitability within the group by not following fair market price or arm's length pricing.